Well, hello everybody. After doing a few chores this morning, started draining the oil bag and got it out of the way. Had to remember it comes out on the left-hand side, so does the transmission. I took the transmission out, the plate and the transmission. It just seems like there'll be less juggling later, or where should I have put this, because between the plate and the tranny is where you have your adjustment. But I'll power wash it. I have to drain the fluid and power wash it. Then I'll get in there so I don't have to keep cleaning my hands every 5 minutes. So that's what it looks like. Got this out of the way. Got the solenoid out of the way. This will give me a chance to kind of power wash it. So pretty dirty. Might as well do at least a better than half-assed job. Wink, wink. Normally I try and do. I mean, I'm not a perfectionist by any stretch of the old imagination, shall we say. But, if you ever have one of these, they get loose all the time. I like this. And I like the extra lights. It's got the one down here, and that's like in a brake light, and a little running light here. But yeah, they come loose all the time. I'm taking this off. There probably was a better way, even though it hooks in up there, but it just always gets loose. Never fails. So I'll take that off and just put my license plate up there. I got to clean the starter, and it's over here. Battery box, so everything is up and out of the way. I'll plug those lines before I power wash. So that's where I'm at. I'm hoping you guys that have done this have give me a positive review for taking the plate off instead of taking the transmission off the plate. I don't know. I was just trying to think on my own there. Other than that, like I say, it's over here. I've got to drain it and get all the goop out and everything. So this shifts good this way, goes back. This shifts this way, goes back to neutral. So that seems to be in good nick, as they say. So that seems to, I'll open it up and look. But once I clean all this off, power wash it, I will take that off and start to look in there for bent things or other things that may seem to be out of play. So remember, anything important I should be doing as I'm going along, chime in. And I think everybody always says, like and subscribe. Or like and subscribe. Or kind of like. I guess you can't kind of like. You can either like or dislike. So don't dislike. By golly. So there it is. Like I say. And I got a manual. I got a Climbers. I think I have a regular Harley one. And see, once I get that top off, maybe it'll suddenly go, oh my gosh, look at that, and I'll know what to get. I don't know if there's a tool. I thought there was a tool that when you take this off, you set it on there to see if something is in the right spot. But I haven't done any reading other than just a lot of handwork. So I'll catch you guys a little later, and take her easy. Bye-bye. Thanks for all the input.